Good morning, children. Today we will discuss the 9th class assignment number 6 of topic states of matter. The first question is, which of these exhibits dipole-dipole interaction between the molecules? So we will discuss one by one. So generally dipole-dipole interactions may happen in polar compounds. Which compounds? Polar compounds. That means the polar solvents dissolves in polar compounds only. And non-polar dissolves in non-polar compounds only. So here the first only non-polar. So here dipole-dipole may generate only in polar compounds. So polar solutes in non-polar solvents, this one is wrong, and non-polar solutes in polar solvent, this one is wrong. The correct option is only polar compounds, like dissolves like. So this is how the dipole-dipole interaction between the molecules is only between the polar molecules. And next, which of these pairs of compounds exhibits dipole-dipole interaction between their molecules? Suppose for example, if you take a CH4. So here CH4 having a tetrahedral structure. CH4 having tetrahedral structure. So here all these tetrahedral structures, because CH having a similar difference, that means electronegativity difference, but because of its tetrahedral structure, it acts as a non-polar compound. Next, coming to CCl4. Here also the CCl4 having a similar structure like CH4, tetrahedral. So here also it is showing a non-polarity. And next, BCl3. BCl3 is a non-polar compound. So coming to CH, formaldehyde, H, C double bond O, H. So what happens here? C double bond O. This C double bond O, here the dipole moment will be generated. So there compulsory there exists a dipole-dipole interaction. Dipole interaction. And next, coming to ammonia. So ammonia also polar molecule. So here also generates the dipole-dipole interaction. So the combination here is NH3 and CH2O, ammonia and formaldehyde. So which option? Third option. And next, which of these does not exhibit dipole-dipole interaction between their molecules? So when coming to water molecule, so water molecule is a polar compound. So here the dipole-dipole moment will be generated, and here CH3Cl also will generate the dipole-dipole interactions, and ammonia also generates the dipole-dipole interactions. But CCl4, now only we discussed, because of its tetrahedral structure, there the total dipole moment will be 0. Their dipole-dipole interactions will not happen. So which option is correct? Fourth option is correct. Then we will move to next question. So induced dipole forces occur in molecules. It is having a mixture of. Whenever you will see the induced dipole forces are happened between polar and non-polar compounds. So here polar and non-polar compounds, which option? First option. Next, coming to fifth question. So here the types of forces between HF molecule and the combination of F2 plus HF. So here HFO, here it is polar molecule, here it generates the dipole-dipole attractions. But whenever the combination of this compound F2 and HF, here it is a non-polar and this is polar. That means whenever the combination of dipole, non-polar and the polar combination, there it generates the dipole-induced dipole attractions. So the total types of forces acting between HF and F2 plus HF is dipole-dipole attractions and dipole-induced attraction forces. Thank you children. Thank you.